Just opening up the straw. Man, that looks messy, dude.
It's very messy.
Okay, so I just got to my buddy Ryan's house, and he's going to show us everything we need to make mushrooms. Or grow mushrooms. Edible mushrooms. What are these, the spores?
Spores, thermometer, when it's filled with water. Use a straw as a base. Plastic to put it in. So next time I'll just order them offline. If I don't wait.
So how are you going to make a tube out of this?
I'm not sure yet, but I'll get her done.
Got the 170-degree water going into the straw.
Smells good.
Okay, so now after we soak the straw in hot water for, what, an hour?
Yeah, a little over.
Now we're straining it.
Oh.
That's crazy. So what's your wife gonna think about all the straw in the bathtub?
Oh, she'll be a little pissed off, but... Yeah, I gotta squeeze that.
Bring it out.
Gotta make sure it's broke up real good. I should be wearing gloves, but I don't have any, so. You can smell them, they're good.
Wow.
They smell different, they're really good. Like that. Bad.
How much are you leaving on the ends?
Yeah, enough to squeeze it.
Like a big Tootsie Roll. Sweet,
It is,
sweet.
yeah. Got it. Really good.
You almost thought you maybe want to give it a good stab.
No, you don't want it too big. That's why a lot of people use broadheads because you want the eggs anyway, you know?
Yeah.
Fire all outside though.
So you're gonna go all the way around, or you're gonna leave the bottom?
Yeah, you go all the way around and get your way. Doesn't have to be perfect, kind of random.
This is your first time doing this, so it might not work.
It might not. You never know. Give her a hell of a college try. I think I got her figured out enough. Or I should produce something.
Yeah.
You know, I'd like to.
What do you imagine? It'll be like big mushrooms coming out?
Yeah.
Damn.
Someday I want to grow my own, make my own room, you know.
Yeah.
Like just specifically for this. Like build a shed even outside and have heat and air. Then I could do it all year round and grow a farm.
And just for eating for yourself, or for?
I know farmer's market, probably start there, because I'd eventually grow too many where I couldn't eat them, you know.
Yeah.
I just like growing shit.
Alright, so there's the final product. I guess in 2 to 3 weeks it should be growing some mushrooms out of this thing. Edible mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms. And I even got a little mushroom sack to take home. See if I grow some nice edible mushrooms out of there. That's pretty cool. Pretty happy about that.